Fix unboxing. It's my second one of December just because of how the dates fell, and I'm really excited because it is literally bursting open with fun clothes. I didn't request anything, I just forgot, ran out of time. It's holidays and I had just nothing better to do than to update my Stitch Fix profile. But I hope that I get some workout clothes, and I'm always looking for a great pair of jeans. So let's see what I got. My last boxes have been good, but not great. All the stuff, not all, but a lot of the stuff in there has been meh, right? It's been cute, nothing wrong with it, but also nothing spectacular either. So I'm hoping to get something really neat today. Okay, burrito. Okay, I have my envelope here, and Alicia's been my stylist for a while, and she's okay. She doesn't do a bad job. I've had better, I will admit, but we're working on it. Oh my gosh, okay. Check out that burrito. Looks like a lot of sweaters and fun jackets, and even maybe a gray or black pair of jeans. All right, let's see what it is. Okay, the first thing is, looks like Market & Spruce, olive patch elbow, looks like cowl neck knit shirt. Ooh, it's really soft and flowy. It could be very cute on. I know people are getting a little burnt out on the elbow patches. I don't disagree, but if the shirt's really cute, which this looks cute, maybe worth a little elbow patch. We'll see. Okay, and here is a kind of wine-colored purple tunic, sleeveless tunic. It looks like it's two different fabrics, kind of a silky rayon with a polyester stretchy fabric. Could be good under like a blazer like this or a cardigan. We'll see how that looks on. Oh, this is fun. I could see my sister Bree wearing this. This is a kind of a big knit. Well, it's kind of big on the top and then finer at the bottom, but it's a nice purple crew neck sweater. Who's it by? By Fate. We'll try that on and see how it looks. I'm not always a purple wearer, but I'm not opposed to it either. Ooh. Okay. These are just black. All right. The sizing's right. Frayed hem straight jean. Okay, these I think are gonna be really exciting. I have been looking for some black jeans. These are really faded black. I like it because it's denim. A lot of times black jeans are like a stretch cotton and they look nice, but I don't know about you guys, but animal hair sticks to them like crazy, and all you want is them to look sleek and nice, and then they're just covered in your cat or dog hair, which is just annoying. So these are straight leg, I think. So we'll just see how these fit on. They could be really fun and funky because they're high-waisted, or they could be tragic. You never know with jeans, am I right? Okay, last thing. Oh, this is cute. I bet you that Lon really likes this. He likes stuff like this. It's really cute. It's like a wool, I don't know if it's actually wool, but it's Market & Spruce printed jacket. It's this cute navy and gray plaid with, I don't know what these are called. Tell me what these are called. Little buttons here, kind of like a peacoat style, but with a hood. It's pretty cute. All right. I think so far so good. Let me try everything on and see how it fits. I'll be right back. Okay, here's the first outfit. And I tried on the jacket and it's really cute. I'm not totally sure that I need a jacket like this, but it's adorable. I mean, I think it is. It's a really fun little jacket. It's got the little hood. I could definitely rock this cute little jacket. It's not waterproof, but that's okay. It doesn't rain all the time here. just most of the time. It's really soft and fun. I don't know, this will probably depend on the price. Okay, so let's look at what else I have. Back to the jacket really quick. It has a really nice like kind of t-shirt material softness in it that makes it kind of snuggly in addition to just soft on the outside. Okay, so this shirt, I think we've kind of all seen this before. I have something similar in gray with strings, but I love this color and I never seem to buy olive colored shirts, and I really like them. The length is fun. It's real comfortable, casual. I could throw this on, super stretchy, throw it on just lounging or going out and about. It's pretty fun. Again, it'll depend on the price too. Okay, the last thing are the jeans, and you'll have to tell me what you think. They have a really, what's the word? They have a real wash to them. I don't know how you say that, but they look kind of gray, but they're black jean, and the length is interesting and the hem is interesting. So it's raw hem and it's straight leg. And I put them on with just some ballet flats that I have, and I know that this is a look. I'm not sure I'm quite cool enough to pull it off, but you'll have to tell me what you think and how the rest of it looks. I mean, they fit well. I don't know if they're amazing. I've had better fitting jeans before, but they're stretchy, and I kind of am digging on the frayed hem and the length, but maybe I shouldn't. You have to tell me if you think I can pull it off. They're kind of fun. I'm trying to decide if I'd reach for them. So it'll also depend on the price. I am looking for some fun black jeans. Are these the ones? Sorry, I'm just stretching them out a little bit. Okay, let me go try on the next outfit and I'll be right back. Okay, the next thing is this purple crew neck sweater, and it's better than I thought. It's soft and it has little fuzzy bits on it. See the difference? It's like big fuzzy bits and a little bit finer. It has kind of baseball t-shirt cut there, which I kind of like, and I think the neck is a little bit wider than like a serious crew neck. I think it's real cute. Is it anything great? It's like another one of those kind of like, meh, it's cute, I'd wear it, but it's nothing spectacular either. Tell me what you think. I think the length is good. Just nothing particularly interesting about it. All right, I like the color. And I like this. So I do like it better than I thought. So, okay, let me go try on the last shirt and I'll be right back. Okay, I put the last shirt on with just the blazer I had on, and I think it looks great. Maybe not with these jeans, but I like this a lot better than I thought that I would. It's really comfy. I think you can maybe see through a little bit, but it's a nice knit. It's comfy. It's flattering. It's something you could wear under cardigans and have it look a little bit dressed up, or again, blazers. I really like it. The color is really rich and pretty. It depends on the price for me on this one, because it's cute. I would wear it. It's much, much better than I thought it would be, and really a versatile piece, I think, for my wardrobe. I read my stylist card, and she was so happy she finally found a pair of black jeans, but agreed that they're a bit more washed out than she thought I might like, and she's gonna keep looking if these aren't the ones. So let me go change my clothes and let's look at prices to see what I might get. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, time for the prices. Because it matters, doesn't it? Okay, so as expected, the just black jeans, Cedric jeans, are $88, which is about normal for Stitch Fix and premium jeans. Okay, the textured pullover by Fate is $68. I don't know, it's a little steep for just a crew neck sweater, but it is really pretty and soft. All right, have to think about that. The printed jacket, oh, you guys will have to help me with this one. $98. Is it worth $98? It's really cute. 68, I'd get it. 98, I don't know if I need it, but it's really cute. Okay, the burgundy tunic top is 42. That's a really good price for a really versatile top. Yeah, I could definitely get that for $42. Okay, last but not least. Okay, this is the Market and Spruce olive, what's it called? Cowl neck, elbow patch, blah, 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 blah. It's, let me see, which direction is it? It's $58. Okay, I love this because it's soft and I really like the green. I have something kind of like it, but I really like the green, so I'll probably get this. But they call it burgundy top, is a really good price, and I'd wear that a lot too. Ooh. What about the jeans? Were they cute? Were they weird? Be honest. I've been looking for black jeans. Are those the ones? I don't know. Okay, so just to give you the rundown, the whole total of the box was $354. Okay, and if I bought everything, it'd be 25% off, which would take $88.50 off of that. And then the order subtotal would be $265.50 minus my styling fee. So, oh, it looks like I have a credit too. Thanks for whoever used my my referral code. So the total would be $220.50. I don't know if I need everything. Not for $200. It's cute, but I'm not like super wowed by everything. But it is a cute box. Everything was good. But I'm not sure $220 is good. If you like my video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe and hit the bell to get notifications of whenever I post new videos. And leave a comment below and tell me what you think. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.